Kahapon sa Behind the Clash, nakibanding tayo kasama ang top 6 teen clashers bago sila sumalang muli sa Clash Arena. At patuloy tayong pinakilig ng lumalayag na tambalang Heartin. Ngayong hapon, babalikan natin ang mga naging harapan last Sunday. Ano kaya ang naramdaman ng mga teen clashers sa kanilang naging Instagalan round? Ang kasagutan, malalaman natin dito lang sa Behind the Clash.
So I'm here with Violet.
Violate.
Inigo Badillo, Martin Miguel, Beza, Trustiza. So, 6 na lang po kami natitira. And nakakakaba super. Pero super excited kami. What do you guys think?
Very overwhelming talaga yung experience. I guess right now I'm just filled with I don't really feel nervous right now. I'm just filled with so much like gratefulness right now. I feel like it sounds cliche, but I feel so blessed po talaga. You know, ang dami. There are so many things to be grateful for. You just need to keep looking for it. So, ayan, si Kay. Ba't umiiyak si Kay?
Sa totoo lang po, hanggang ngayon, di pa rin ako makapaniwala na nandito po ako sa top 6. Kasi nagsimula tayo dito na 24, ang dami-dami natin, di ba? And then, oo, like hundreds, thousands ang nag-audition dito, tapos napili tayo sa 24, tapos parang bilis ng panahon na top 6 na lang.
Very well answer.
Good answer.
Ang nasa isip ko ngayon, gusto ko nang perform mamaya. Perform. And gusto kong makapasok sa top of the class. Nasabi na lahat ni Violet at ni Kay. So, get you na yun. Bye-bye.
So nasabi na ni Nigo at ni Kay at ni Violet lahat yun. So, bye-bye.
So, nasabi na po ni Martin na Inigo na sobrang din po ako, sobrang blessed po ako. Actually, mas kabado po ako last round kesa ngayon. Kasi, like, being here, parang blessing na po eh. Sobrang dami na po namin napagdaanan eh. Not just the laban itself, but yung mga behind the clash, yung mga plot twists na na napagdaanan po namin. Super thankful na po ako doon. So, I am here and my mindset is, I'm here because I love performing, and so I want to stand on that stage fearless, and I don't want to have any fear. You know, I just want to feel like I'm happy kasi nandito ako ngayon.
Kung ano gagawin? Kinakabahan po pero po excited. And po kasi magagaling po yung kasama ko. Kaya good luck na lang po. At God bless po sa atin.
Ray! Nako, magiging madugo ang episode ngayong gabi dahil ang round na ito ay tatawagin nating Round 4 Instagalan! Sino kaya ang unang maglalaban? Ako, alamin na natin yan! Randomizer, let's go!
Beza! Ikaw ang pinili ng randomizer!
Ang gusto ko pong makalaban ay si Violet Santa Cruz.
Oh! Violet! Please join us here. Nakaka-excite ang intense ng labanan.
Violet, I am blessing you to be a very, very famous singer-songwriter in the future because I can also definitely see you in that. I always see that confidence, that fire in you, and I bless and pray that you just keep that. Your confidence on stage, your fierceness. Yeah, by your voice and kung paano mo inuuna si Lord palagi sa lahat ng mga ginagawa mo. So naniniwala ako na kayang-kaya niyang gawin yung mga hinihiling mo as long as it's His will.
When Beza picked me, I don't know if you guys saw my reaction, but it's like I wasn't shocked. because I had like a deep feeling that, or like a gut feeling, that she would pick me. And when she did, I was like, okay, this is it, because I truly felt excited because I was finally going to be performing this song of mine, which was "What If I Miss You for the Rest of My Life." I wanted to show my more vulnerable side to the Clash panel, to the audience. I wanted to show it to everyone, and I just wanted to, like, gusto ko talaga yung buhos lahat talaga sa stage, and I feel like this song was definitely the perfect one for it.
Grabe po kasi talaga si Violet. Hindi lang ang tindi ni Violet. Alam niyo po ba, parang hinide niya lang yung identity niya nung pinakaunang rounds. Tapos, she was like waiting for her time to show us something new. And this was it. Sobrang galing ni Violet. Rock. And then her voice, her chest voice, I believe that is the reason why napinili ko siya.
I got like so emotional over it because my thankfulness is like so immense right now. Like, grabe talaga si Lord na gumalaw. Kasi, in this performance, I felt like He was really like moving through me.
I think I performed just how I practiced and wanted, and I am willing to improve more, as I said, in the future. If ipagkakaloob man ng Diyos, I am willing to work on what I need to improve on.
Overall, I'm very proud of my performance, and kahit ano pang mangyari, manalo matalo, I know I'm still a winner.
Clash panel, sino, kina Beza at Violet ang makakabalik sa top of the Clash?
Beza.
Kinabukasan ay tagal nang hinahanap. Tinig ng pusong may naisipan.
Violet, thank you so much.
It's been like, wow, what do I even say? It's an emotional roller coaster po talaga. Because there are so many highs here, there's so many lows, like here right now. I'm going to go home crying, pero I'm still proud. I still feel very happy. I'm crying right now. It feels like I'm being a hypocrite when I say I'm feeling happy, but of course I feel sad that I wasn't able to get in, but overall, after having a prayer with my dad, I still feel very thankful and blessed about all of this. So a message to my dad, I just want to say thank you. Like, two simple words, thank you, and that I love him so much. And all of the people around me, the Clash panel, my Clash Nation, my Clash family, my family supporters, God is working through all of them to help me in this journey. And I know that what happened tonight is in God's plan, in God's will, and that this is definitely not the end of my journey. And to the Clash family, to my Clash family, I just want to say God bless talaga sa kanilang lahat, because they're already winners. God bless, and just pour your heart out on the stage.
You did well. I'm proud of you. And with your talent, actually, it's not more of the talent, it's your character and personality. That we're really proud of you.
Ang susunod na lalaban ngayong gabi, alamin na natin yan. Randomizer!
Let's go!
Sino ang gustong lumaban kay Inigo? Tayo ang matapang! Okay!
Martin versus Inigo, let the Team Clash begin!
Of your time, 'cause I know it's here to stay.
Nung narandomize mo si Inigo, talagang blank po talaga yung isip ko po nun eh. Talagang hindi namin alam kung sinong tatayo, pero I just tried to challenge myself, kaya tumayo po ako at labanan po si Inigo. And I still did my best, and kahit manalo matalo po ako dito, at least I tried po.
Dream on!
tumayos ako, syempre nakaka-excite kasi gusto ko ng kumanta. And nung tumayo si Martin, kala ko kasi ako pa pagpili. So tumayo si Martin. So lalo ako na-excite kasi nakalaban ko na siya nung round 3. And dito magkakalaman kung sino talaga makakapasok.
Sa feeling ko po, nabigay ko po yung all ko po sa performance ko po. And nagawa ko po siya ng maganda po yung performance ko po. And ngayon, I'm just sobrang nervous na po ako kung sino po mapipili.
Siyempre, lalo kong ginalingan kasi nasa top 6 na tayo, konti na hanggang finals na. So, yun, talagang binuhos ko na lahat.
So, ayun na nga guys, grabe, kakatapos na ng laban nila Martin and Inigo. And OMG. I am so speechless kasi they both showed different genres, different excellence in performing and singing. Yung si Martin, R&B, riffs and runs, linis, galing.
Martin! Hindi ko po siya pupuntahan. Grabe talaga yung performance ng mga Teen Clashers. Sobrang galing po yung performance po ni Inigo tsaka ni Martin. Tapos po yung performance po din ni Martin, sobrang ganda po. Andun po talaga yung linis po ng kanta niya. Sobrang galing pa rin po niya hanggang ngayon.
Grabe, they're both so good. And syempre, proud ako kay Martin, proud ako kay Inigo, proud ako kay Inigo na nilaban niya, proud ako kay Martin na na-enjoy niya yung performance niya, and I hope that they're both proud sa mga sa performance na binigay nila.
So, Martin, wish ko na sana ikaw yung makapasok para makasama pa kita next round. Sana makapasok din ako. Pag nakapasok ako, magkikita tayo. Sana ay ayoko pala. Yun pala guys, yung kalaban ko guys. Sorry. Kilang sa iba magkikita po kami kasi sa ibang lugar.
Okay,
sa Dubai.
Clash panel, sino kina Inigo at Martin ang makakabalik sa top of the clash? Inigo.
Kinabukasan kay tagal nang hinahanap.
Congratulations pa rin. Palakpakan natin si Martin.
Nadismayado nga po ako eh. Kasi nang sinabi po, alam ko na po na wala po ako chance dito sa lugar. So I just did my best. And at the end of the day po, meron po talagang matatanggal. Masasabi ko po yung buong experience ko po sa The Clash is very unforgettable and a very roller coaster experience po talaga. Kasi hindi po natin alam kung ano pong mangyayari eh. Wala pong silang sinasabi and I enjoyed this experience po. To my family po, thank you for supporting me throughout my journey in The Clash Teens. And thank you for helping me throughout my journey in performing and singing. And I love you. And I love you all.
Ano pa kasakit? Di bali. Bata pa siya, 14 years old pa.
Kung kaya na natin ang huling one-on-one ngayong gabi, ito ang round ng galan! Let the Teen Clash begin!
Nasaksiyan na natin ang mga kaganapan sa naging pagtapat ni Beza at Violet, Inigo at Martin. Bukas, babalikan natin ang mga kaganapan sa naging harapan ni Kay at Hannah. Mapapanood din natin ang mga reaksyon ng Danger Zone 3 nang malaman nila na may chance pa silang makabalik sa Top of the Clash. Makikita rin natin ang muling pagtapak sa Clash Arena ng tatlong ex-Teen Clashers na sina Donald Mendoza, Viel Santos at Bien Opeña. Lahat ng yan, dito nyo lang mapapanood. Kaya naman siguraduhin nakaabang kayo tuwing Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday sa Kapuso Stream at the Clash Teen YouTube channel, streaming every 5:10 p.m. Clash Nation! You still have time para ipakita sa inyong all-out support sa paborito nyong Teen Clashers by voting for them. Just scan the QR code to vote at patuloy niyong suportahan ang digital album ng Top 12 Teen Clashers. This is your Clashmaster Raver Cruz, and this is Behind the Clash.